Samsung Z Flip 4 Full Screen Assembly Replacement. First, we check if the outer screen has any issues, and then we inspect the hinge. As we can see, the entire foldable main screen is completely damaged with liquid leakage. In this case, all we need to do is replace the full screen assembly. To replace the screen, we only need to remove the back cover. Now we heat the device and remove the back cover. After removing the back cover, we take out all the screws and the speaker module. Next, we apply heat again to remove the frame, clips and the main screen. Once the main screen is removed, we clean off all the adhesive from the middle frame. Then we apply double-sided tape and prepare to install a brand new screen. Alright, the entire screen has been successfully installed. It looks absolutely sleek. All phone parts and tools are in tivo.com.